How you doing, baby?
Man, how are you?
Amazing, man. We're doing what we love to do.
I know it.
Enjoying
Beautiful
life.
day. Football day. Game
Exactly.
day's the best day of the week.
Exactly.
I watched Stranger Things. I feel like if they had 3 or 4 more episodes and they let the creatures actually run wild for a little while, it would have been good.
Strange things sure happened to the Bills' Nathan Peterman. The rookie threw 5 first-half interceptions. And scary creatures Melvin Ingram and Joey Bosa were nightmares for him all day.
Showtime.
Showtime.
What we got? What we got? Jet Alert 1-8.
Makes the handoff to McCoy, and now Peterman hops up in the air, intercepted. Corey Toomer, who makes his way down the left sideline to the 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown.
Let's get him off right here. Omaha, Omaha.
Here they come. Peterman back to pass, and he just throws it up for grabs. Intercepted again.
He worked himself right back into Melvin Ingram and Joey Bosa, and he did the old ollie oxen free on that one.
Let's go.
I almost hit the rock, though. I almost took the
dude,
ball
I
out of
was
his hand.
looking, driving for it. Keep it rolling, baby.
And here come the Chargers. And as he throws, intercepted. Trey Boston with the 3rd interception of the game, and here he is returning it to the 50, now 45 before he's dragged down. Pressure came from Bosa, and boy, did he hit Peterman hard as he was trying to let that one go.
Yeah, kabloobled him. I just made up a word.
Drop back, it's gonna be a problem. I'm telling you.
I told
every
you.
time.
It's gonna be a problem.
Peterman, and that is picked off. Casey Hayward with another interception.
Been here.
got me an interception and a tackle for
I
loss
got
already.
you all one today.
You did. I appreciate it. I'm gonna give you a lot of love. Wait.
I'm pretty sure I'm photoshopped right there.
I mean, he doesn't look like Mario.
It's a me. I look more like Luigi than Mario.
Peterman, and that ball's picked off again. Trevor Williams. It was Bosa again. And boy, you gotta wonder how long Sean McDermott can leave this poor kid out there. The 5th interception thrown, all in the first half.
What is that, 5 picks,
That's it, what I'm talking about right there. You hear me?
Yes,
all
sir.
day, all day.
Bro, we gotta have a record in one half. 5 in one half? I ain't never been on a team that had 5 picks in the first half.
You got 5 QB hits?
Yeah, 5 picks, 5 QB hits. It's crazy, because every time I get up off the floor, I hear, yeah! I'm like,
Hey, the first quarterback threw 5 picks, the second quarterback gets sacked 1 million times.
High run, and he is sacked. Ball is out, scooped up by Melvin Ingram. 20, 10, touchdown Chargers. Scoop and score, Melvin Ingram.
Hey, buddy, that's a touchdown! Whoa!
If there is a better player getting the ball out from a quarterback's hands, I'd love to see it, because Bosa is without doubt the best at it in the league.
A little bit of showboat going down the field. Have some fun today, boys.
And what a day this Chargers defense is having, looking like a kid on Christmas morning.
We in the corner. Every time I pass it, I score.
keep this rolling, baby.
Bro, why would you tackle me right there, bro?
I just had to finish my fault, fam.
Hey, when you tackle me, I look like, bro, let me get my celebrate on.
Hey, my bad, man.
Nah, you good. It's all love, bro.
Keep it up.
Yep.